Friends, this is iconic e-Luna from Kinetic Green. Kinetic Green has recently launched this electric Luna in India. In this video, I'll let you know in-depth review of this e-Luna electric moped. So you will get to know about the exact specifications, how is the build quality, how is the electric scooter to ride, and can we consider this under 80,000 rupees or not. So before getting into the video, this is Aditya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, since yesterday I used to have a negative opinion on this Kinetic Green company, but after looking at this e-Luna, the overall impression on this Kinetic Green has been changed. They designed this electric scooter very perfectly, and I can say this is one of the best loader electric scooter currently available in India. What makes this electric scooter so special? Let's discuss one by one now. The first thing is the practicality. Kinetic Green has designed this Kinetic e-Luna electric scooter very practically, which will suit to our Indian conditions. As you can see, this is the riding poster of this Kinetic e-Luna. This resembles the same segment as TVS XL. As you know how successful TVS XL is in our India. So I think this Kinetic e-Luna will also be successful as TVS XL. I can say this as a perfect replacement for TVS XL in that price segment and in that category. Who are looking for a best loader or best moped electric vehicle, this is one of the best option for them. Kinetic has resembled the same design as the vintage Luna. So this resembles exactly as the vintage Luna with electric badging. As I already told you, this is the riding poster of this Kinetic e-Luna, and they gave a very good provision to load your luggage or to load your farming things at this place. Kinetic is offering 150 kgs of load capacity on this electric scooter. So let's start from the design first. Let's start from the front. So at the front, as you can see, it exactly resembles like the vintage Luna itself. So at the top, Kinetic has gave their badging Kinetic Green. The attention to detail on this electric scooter is so impressive. Under this badging, we'll get the headlight. This is the halogen headlamp with bulb side indicators, and under this headlamp we'll get a provision for the number plate. This is the registration model. The top speed of this electric moped is 50 km/h. You should compulsory have license to ride this electric scooter. So this is the fiber plastic mudguard, and these are the telescopic suspension. So Kinetic has gave a very good casing to protect this suspension from the mud or from the rocks which will be on the road. Coming to the tires, this Kinetic e-Luna gets 16 inches tube tires with the spoke wheels. So to maintain the weight distribution, Kinetic has used these spoke wheels. Coming to the brakes, Kinetic has used drum brakes at the front as at the rear. So this is the front poster of this Kinetic e-Luna. Now let's explore the side part. So this is the side part of this Kinetic e-Luna. So they give provision to charging here under the seat. So this electric scooter get the same charging port as we saw in TVS iQube, and with the help of 10 amps charger, this electric moped takes 4 hours to get it fully charged. Let me remind you, this Kinetic e-Luna is launched in two variants. The base variant gets 1.7 kWh battery. This is the top end variant, and this gets 2 kWh portable battery. This 2 kWh battery takes 4 hours to get it fully charged, and 1.7 kWh battery pack takes 3 hours to get it fully charged. So let's explore the side part once. So Kinetic has used many fiber plastic parts in this electric scooter, but the overall frame and the chassis are made up of metal. So this Kinetic e-Luna is available in a total of 5 colors. The only thing changes in those 5 colors are this frame. So you will get different colors for this frame. All the black colored parts will be same in the 5 color options. So Kinetic has gave 2 split seats on this Kinetic e-Luna, and under this seat you will get the battery pack. I'll show you the battery pack in a while. This is the rider foot pack, and this is the pillion foot pack, and Kinetic has gave dual spring loaded suspension at the rear. We'll also get the sari guard to this Kinetic e-Luna, and here they gave a protection casing for the chain. This Kinetic e-Luna gets 1.2 kilowatt mid-drive motor. This is one of the best thing about this Kinetic Luna. Most of the loader electric vehicles which are available in the current market uses BLDC hub motor, but Kinetic has used 1.2 kilowatt mid-drive motor in this, and the drive transmission is also very smooth. Kinetic has used chain to transfer the power from motor to the rear wheel, and the rear also gets 16 inches tube tires with spoke wheels, and at the rear we'll get bulb lights and bulb side indicators, and we'll get a reflector under the number plate provision. So this is how Kinetic e-Luna looks. They have also gave a small hook over here which is made up of metal, and here there is a small padding kind of a thing to provide extra cushion for your luggage or the things which you will keep here. The attention to details on this Kinetic e-Luna is very impressive. Coming to the switches, at the left side we'll get a high beam low beam switch, and this is the headlight control switch. These are the side indicator switches, and this is the horn button. So I also like the grips on this Kinetic e-Luna. Kinetic Green badging written over here, and these are the brakes of this Kinetic Kinetic E-Luna. They also gave a small hook to lock the rear brake, so this will help in the slopey kind of situations. At the right side, we'll get a 3-way mode switch button. This Kinetic E-Luna has 3 riding modes in it. In the first mode, it will go up to a top speed of 25 to 30 kmph. In the second mode, it will go up to 40 to 45 kmph. In the third mode, it can go up to 50 kmph of top speed. So with the help of 1.2 kilowatt motor, this scooter can go up to 50 kmph of top speed. Now let me open the battery compartment of this E-Luna. So here is a provision to open this battery compartment. If you unlock this, so this is the battery compartment of this Kinetic E-Luna, and the rear seat of this Kinetic E-Luna is detachable and it's customizable. So there will be small screws over here. So if you remove these screws, you can remove the rear seat of this Kinetic E-Luna and you can tie up your luggage over here too. Let me keep this back. And this is the portable battery pack of this Kinetic E-Luna. So they gave a small lock to unlock this battery pack from this electric scooter. So here is a small red switch. So if you press the switch, the connector will detach, and like this you can detach this battery pack. So Kinetic has launched this E-Luna in 2 battery pack variants. Base variant gets 1.7 kWh battery. This is the top end variant, and this is the 2 kWh battery. You can charge this electric scooter from here, or you can detach this battery and you can also charge from here. These 2 charging ports are not same, but Kinetic is providing a connector to charge this at the scooter or directly to this battery. As I already told you, this battery takes 4 hours to get it fully charged. If in case Kinetic launches swapping stations in the future, you can also swap this electric scooter battery with the help of those swapping stations. Coming to the range, in the base variant, Kinetic is offering 90 kilometers of range, and with the help of this 2 kWh battery, this top end variant can give you 110 kilometers of range on a single charge. Coming to the prices, 1.7 kWh battery base variant is launched at an ex-showroom cost of 69,990, and this top end variant costs you 74,990 ex-showroom. The on-road cost depends on the place where you live. Coming to the warranty, Kinetic is offering 3 years warranty on this battery, 2 years warranty on the motor controller, and 1 year warranty on the charger. So these are all the warranty range specifications of this Kinetic E-Luna. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments, and if you found the video informative, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.